particular animal model, we can nowadays we are developing for the software is called bioimaging softwares. Okay, you can do the in your mobile. You can do the take the image in the using of the zebrafish. For example, if you particular organ, for example, I want to study the hepatotoxicity. You will focus on main organ of the hepatotoxicity of the particular organ, liver. You can choose the liver. You can take the bioimaging technique. The technique will be helpful for the particular research studies. That's why the bioimaging technique nowadays very familiar for the very familiar institution. For example, ICER, they are having the particular society, bioimaging society. You can take the photos in the form of the bioimaging society. You will get the good publication and as well as for the rewards in the form of the prizes. Will provide for the bioimaging society, will provide the during the your studies you can take the photos, you can send it to the bioimaging society, you will get the rewards. That is one of the way for to experimental research in the live research with the help of the animal models. Next, this is I already told about for the more than 80% of the genomes. That's why we are choosing for the same principle involved for the human beings: liver, pancreas, gallbladder, circulatory system, digestive system, and respiratory system, and nervous system. There's most of the similar characters are associated with the zebrafish. That's why we are choosing for the animal model of zebrafish. It's the ideal model. It is the active model. It is easy to handle, especially in the adult zebrafish. It is easy to handle to the animal model. With the help of all the animals, you must take all the animals. Nowadays, we are taking from the institutional animal ethical committee permission. Then only we can do the research. That is a very important. Don't do the experiment in separate. If you go for the any publication, we need the ethical clearance. That's why we want to do the proper way of research with the help of the CCSCA guidelines approval, with the help of the particular institute having the IAC facility. Then only we can do for the experimental studies. That is the very essential. Next. These are already told for the zebrafish. One of the basic information about the biological models. 1970, because of simpler over mouse, easy to manipulate genetically. That's a very important. This is the one of the model to how to manipulate. For example, I already told about the imaging and the diagnosis and tumor biology. Nowadays, the oncology research is going on with the help of the zebrafish model. This is one of the field. For example, in the nutrition and dieting students nowadays are emerging.